You are going to love the 2022 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.